Parekar, and I will share with you my thoughts about my 5 days of outdoor camp in Badlapur. There were many activities like the terrace farming, the field visit, the visit to Matheran, ice cream making, belpuri making and many more. And the most important activity was the sky gazing and sky observation. Many learned men from an organization came and they explored the sky observation. They showed us many constellations, 3 planets, Jupiter, Mars and Venus, and showed an epics from the constellations. And also suddenly one learned man came and he showed us a moving satellite. It was a wonderful satellite. From that I also got the knowledge that in books we read many information regarding to this, but it was actual and real. And also it was my dream from the first standard to be an asteroid and to reach the Jupiter. And it was the real because I can find the planet Jupiter. And it was a great day and success in my dream. This was the most important day of my camp, of outdoor camp of 5 days.
My name is Kritika and I am here to share my outdoor camp experience with all of you. We did many activities here such as terrace farming, making candles and selling, ice cream making, farm visit and trekking at Mathiran. The activity which I liked the most was terrace farming, which you also can see as city farming method. In this activity, we used milk bags of 1 liter and did 3 layers. First of dry layer, wet garbage and soil. I will show you the plants. In the third fourth, we fill the dry. In the third fourth, we fill the dry garbage. In the next third fourth, we fill the wet, and the last third fourth, we fill the soil. After 5 days, see the plants have grown up to this much height. When we were doing this activity, we enjoyed a lot. From this activity, I realized that we use many vegetables and many other things for making from our household uses, and we throw them away after using it. But we should use the dry and wet garbage and make plants like this, which are also useful for us ahead. From this I got that the wet garbage like vegetable peel cover up potatoes, remaining tea powder, vegetable skins which we throw away are very useful to us, and we should use them we should do not throw them away but reuse them. I want to say a slogan: waste makes the best, which you can see from this. I enjoyed the camp very much and liked it too. Thank you.
मी कीर्ती आणि मी इकडे आली आहे तुमच्यासोबत माझ्या 5 दिवसाचा एक्सपिरियन्स 5 दिवसाचा आउटडोर एक्सपिरियन्स शेअर करायला. मी 5 दिवसासाठी आलेलो. आम्ही इकडे खूप काही वस्तू बनवले, ॲक्टिव्हिटीज सुद्धा केल्या. त्याच्यातून मी थोडे नाव सांगते. ते आहेत टेरेस फार्मिंग आहे, कॅन्डल मेकिंग, आम्ही नंतर माथेरानला गेलो, फार्मला व्हिजिट केलं, मी आकाश दर्शन केले आणि खूप काय केलं. त्याच्यातून मला कॅन्डल मेकिंग आवडलं. हे कॅन्डल मेकिंग आहे आणि आम्ही पहिले ह्याचं मोल्ड घेतलेलं आणि आम्ही वॅक्स टाकून आम्ही बनवायला स्टार्ट केलं. मी मग गरम केलं आणि नंतर उच्या मोल्डमध्ये टाकून दिलं आणि दोरी लावली. मग नंतर आम्ही थोड्या वेळाच्या नंतर विकायला गेलेलो. तर पहिले मला वाटलं की अरे तर एक आणि 2 मिनिटात होईल. तर आम्ही जसंही बाहेर गेलो गार्डनमध्ये कोणीच घेत नव्हतं. तर एक काकूने सांगितलं की तुम्ही स्टेशनला जाऊन घ्या, कारण की तिकडे जास्त लोक असतात. मग तिकडे आम्ही गेलो तेव्हा खूप काही लोक होते. ते लोकांनी घेतलं आणि मला खूप आनंद झाला. आणि तेव्हा मला कळलं की जे माणसं असतात ते विकतात बाहेर, त्यांना खूप कष्ट घ्यावं लागतं, बनवायला पैसे लागतात आणि त्यांना बोलायला पण खूप प्रॅक्टिस लागते. तर त्यांना ते मेहनत करून ते लोक बनवतात म्हणून मला त्यांच्यावर छान वाटतं त्यांना बघून की आणि लहान मुलं पण कधी कधी विकतात रस्त्यावर पण आम्ही बघितले आणि कोण कोण असं मानात ते घालून विकतात तर तिकडे मानात पण खूप दुखत असेल तर मला बघून थोडं दुखतं माझं म्हणजे वाईट वाटतं म्हणून म्हणून मी विकलो.
Thank you. Today I came here to share some information about my 5-day summer camp. My 5 days summer camps. We did there many activities such as farm visit, visit to Matheran, city farming. We also made candles and we sold them. The most activity which I liked was the visit to the farm. In the farm, the farmer said us about which insects and birds are useful in the field and which insects are unuseful. Uh, he also said after sometimes we visited to his field. We saw many vegetables, fruits and plants. Afterwards, he took us to one shady place where he answered our questions. Then after some time, he took us to his house for a lunch. After the lunch, we saw some turtles and tiny fishes in the lake. And some time later, we played with the puppies. Then we went for a round again in the field, but not to see the vegetables and fruits, but to see the birds and insects houses. We also see the house of big red ants and many birds, etc. So this was the activity which I liked in the summer camp which I have gone at Badlapur for 5 days.
Hello friends, my name is Ashutosh Satish Jadhav and I am going to share my experience of the summer camp. There were a lot of activities in our summer camp and they are the tree plantations, going to hill station called Matheran, making candles, going to field visit, etc. But the most and the beautiful activity was the making candles and going to sell to the market. I was feeling very exciting to go and sell the candles in the market. We made the candles with wax and colors. There were 3 types of colors called red, yellow and blue. We packed the candles and went to the market to sell the candles. After that, we took a lot of effort to sell, but it was impossible to sell. Afterwards, we went to the garden and tried to sell it, but then also we were unsuccessful. After that, one lady came and told us that if you will go to the station and try to sell, you will be successful. Then we gone to the station and tried to sell the candles. But afterwards, then we got our success. One man took the candles and he asked us lot of questions that how much the candle cost is, how these candles are made of, and we told lot of answers of that. He told the questions of that. We gave lot of answers. So we got succeed in our the camp that, and it was a beautiful activity to sell the candles. Thank you.
Friends, my name is Vinit Daspanse. I came here to share an information about my exciting outdoor 5 days camp. We did many activities like terrace farming, visit to farm, visit to Matheran, ice cream making and lot. In this, I like the activity to visit the Matheran. We visit Matheran and enjoy a lot. We traveled a distance of 8 kilometers. The travel distance of 8 kilometers and I was feeling that it was very hard to travel this distance. But when we reached Matheran, I realized that it was very easy. When we reached Matheran, we see many different kinds of people, horses, and so we did horse riding, trekking, and saw some points and lake called Charlotte. We gained lot of information. This lake and the names of the points were given by the Britishers. The statue there was made also made by Britishers, and there was a temple there which was 150 years old. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm here to tell you my experience about the 5 days outdoor camp at Badlapur. We did many activities like terrace farming, cooking food, visiting the farm and many more. Out of them, I like the Mathiran visit the most. At first, an 8-kilometer trek seemed nearly impossible, but after executing it, I found that it was not really hard with short breaks. Another exciting activity was horse riding. I asked the horsemen some information about the horses and they gave it willingly. I also saw an anthill. It was very huge. In this trek, I also sat in the train first time independently. The whole camp was a very memorable experience. Thank you.
I am Aditya Joshi. I am here to share an experience of a 5 days outdoor camp. 5 days outdoor camp. We did many activities like terrace farming, visiting the field, ice cream making and other. And the trek of Mathiran also. But the most exciting and enjoyable activity was the trek of Mathiran. We did trekking for 8 kilometers and saw horses, hand carts and the famous temple of Mathiran. We did horse riding. While doing horse riding, first we were scared that the horses would throw us. But when afterwards we realized that the horses were relaxed and cool. Then we were not afraid. The horseman took us to the garden and dropped us there. Then we went to the garden and played. This was a very exciting day and a nice trip of Mathiran. I enjoyed the camp very much. Thank you.
Hi friends, I want to tell you about my exciting summer camp at Badlapur for 5 days. There were many activities there. They were known as terrace farming, making candles, then making bel puri, making mango ice cream, and and much more. The most exciting activity I liked the most was candle making. When the sir told about the candle making, I thought that now it is very easy to make make and sell the candle. It is very easy. But after then, I realized that it was not very easy. We made the candles. After then, we packed it and went to the market and sold it. I tried to sold it. I asked many people about the candle and introduced my candles to them. But no one was taking about them. Then I asked one lady, she took the candle, looked carefully, observed the candles carefully, and she smiled. And she told, I like the product. Can you tell me what is the cost of the candle? I told ₹30. She happily gave me the money, and went. This was my first victory after selling. I have never sold before this. So this is my first time. So I want to tell you something. That is that if you try, you will surely get success.